Hello, as usual, I am Barry Hu, and today I will just present my topic with a different voice from AI, as the topic is 5 AI tools that are absolute game changers. Want to create viral content faster, smarter, and easier in 2025? These 5 AI tools are absolute game changers, and you can start using them today. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or social media creator, these tools will help you write, design, speak, and even think better. Let's jump in. The first tool that we will see is one of the common tools, the ChatGPT. It's based on a large language model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is trained on a massive amount of data from the internet to help it answer questions, write content, have conversations, and more. In simple terms, ChatGPT is like a super smart digital assistant that can answer your questions, help you write emails, essays, blogs, or scripts, solve coding problems, translate languages, generate ideas, even role-play or simulate conversations. Popular uses of ChatGPT: content creation, YouTube scripts, blogs, social media posts, education and learning, explaining complex topics, coding help, debugging or writing code, customer support bots, idea generation, business names, video titles, story plots. The second tool that we will see is 11 Labs AI VoiceOver. 11 Labs is a powerful AI voice generator that creates ultra-realistic, human-like voiceovers from text. It's widely used by content creators, YouTubers, audiobook narrators, and marketers to add professional quality voice narration without hiring voice actors.
To use 11 Labs text-to-speech converter, go to open your browser and enter 11labs.io. As you can see in this video, you choose the voice of the speakers from the list below. Choose your voice from the list below and, when you are done with editing your text, click on the play button. You can download the voice after generation by clicking the download button.
What can 11 Labs do? Convert text to speech in natural, expressive voices. Clone your own voice with your permission. Support multiple languages and accents. Create emotion-rich voiceovers, happy, sad, serious, etc. The third tool that we will see is Runway ML, AI video creation. Runway ML is a cutting-edge AI video creation and editing platform that helps you create, edit, and enhance videos using text prompts and AI tools. No professional editing skills required. It's especially useful for content creators, YouTubers, social media marketers, and filmmakers who want to produce fast, high-quality video content with AI assistance. Top use cases for creators: short-form content, TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts. AI-generated B-roll, enhance your talking head videos, creative video storytelling, turn your ideas into animated clips, AI music videos or concept trailers, tutorial and explainer videos with minimal editing effort. The fourth tool that we will see is Canvas.
Canvas usually refers to a visual workspace where users can create, arrange, and manipulate elements, such as text, images, code blocks, or nodes, to build AI models, workflows, or designs. Here's a short explanation. A canvas is an interactive, drag-and-drop workspace used in AI or design tools to visually create and organize tasks, data flows, or logic.
The fifth tool that we will see is Hydra.
Hydra AI is an innovative platform that enables users to create lifelike, animated videos, featuring characters that can talk, sing, or rap, all generated from simple text and images. By leveraging advanced AI models, Hydra transforms static images into expressive speaking characters, making it accessible for users without technical expertise. Key features of Hydra AI: text-to-video conversion. Users can input up to 300 characters of text to generate a 60-second video, bringing their words to life through animated characters. Customizable voices. Hydra offers a variety of voice options to match the persona of the character, allowing for personalized storytelling. AI-powered character creation. The platform can animate static images, turning them into characters that exhibit lifelike expressions and movements. Multi-format compatibility. Users can upload images in popular formats like .jpeg, .png, and .webp to create their characters. Seamless sharing. Created videos can be downloaded or shared directly from the platform, simplifying the distribution process. Use cases. Hydra AI is utilized across various domains. Content creation. Ideal for creators producing engaging videos for social media, marketing, or entertainment. Education. Educators can create animated characters to deliver lessons or explain concepts in an engaging manner. Marketing. Businesses use Hydra to develop animated mascots or spokespersons, enhancing brand storytelling.
The last but not least tool that we will see as a bonus is one of the common tools used for video editing, the CapCut. Bonus tool, CapCut AI, short-form editing. CapCut AI is a powerful free video editing app with built-in AI features designed specifically for creating short-form content like TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Stories. Developed by ByteDance, the creators of TikTok, CapCut has become one of the most popular tools for mobile and desktop content creators. What is CapCut AI? CapCut uses AI, artificial intelligence, to automate and enhance video editing tasks, making it super easy for beginners and fast for pros. You can create viral videos with professional effects without needing complex software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro.